Great day everybody, I'm Dan again and welcome to Skill Up Dimension. In today's video we will take a look on the new agent added to the Valorant under number 18, Neon. We will discuss her abilities, what they're doing, how long those abilities last for, how many damage they are dealing, and how we could possibly use them in competitive matches. Okay, so let's start it. Filipino agent Neon surges forward at shocking speed, discharging bursts of bioelectric radiance as fast as her body generates it. She races ahead to catch enemies off guard, then strikes them down quicker than lightning. By what I can see, we have new agent, Dualist, that is a woman from Philippines, fast as lightning, so to be honest, I can't wait to show you all of her abilities. But before we start with all her abilities separately, surely you notice this blue bar similar to Sky's healing bar that you can find above the abilities. This bar shows something like energy, like how much energy does Neon have. This bar is reducing while you are using some of Neon's abilities and also recharging every time you are not using any of those abilities. It lasts 12 seconds to recharge one part of this 5-part energy bar. What means you need 1 minute to fill up energy bar to the maximum. Okay, now finally let's go to the abilities. First of all, let's talk about fast lane. Fire 2 energy lines forward on the ground that extends a short distance or until they hit a surface. The lines rise into 2 walls of static electricity that block vision and damage enemies passing through them. As you can see, this ability can be used at maximum once per round and cost 300. And fast line also doesn't reduce your energy bar. This is, as you can see, something like Phoenix walls, but there are actually 2 of them and you cannot curve them. Those walls will last for 6 seconds, and in case your opponent will stay for full 6 seconds in the wall, he will get 170 damage, what is like 28 per 3 damage per second caused by small intensive ticks of damage. So yeah, in case that somebody will blocked in this wall, you can easily kill him if he will not move out from the wall. But if somebody will just cross through the wall, he will get just small damage done. I believe the huge advantage of this ability is how fast it is casted and also that there are 2 sides of it. That means you can make a corridor for you and your team to actually move towards the side straightly without even being noticed. As well as you can even fake that you are going somewhere, as your opponent will very often do not cross those lines to actually check if the tube is full of opponents or it's actually empty. Okay, secondly, we got here Relay Bolt. Instantly throw an energy ball that bounces once. Upon hitting each surface, the bolt electrifies the ground below with a consecutive blast. As you can see, this ability have 2 usage per round and it costs 200 per one of the use. So exactly how it's described in the ability description, you will simply send the energy bolt, it will bounce once, and both areas from where it were bounced, same as where the projectile finished, will be stunned. This stun is pretty similar to Breach's ability Fault Line, I would say. So as you can see, it's pretty interesting ability and I can't wait to see how the pros or even the high rank individuals will use those abilities, but be careful to not stun all of your teammates by one ability. So for example, let's say that you want to push the close wall at the breeze and you will bounce it from the nearby wall. In this case, you can easily stun all of your teammates. Also be aware that it doesn't matter from where it bounced. That means whether it bounced from ground or from the roof, it will simply stun all of the opponents or even teammates in the certain area. So just be informed that it's working in this way. Also be informed that this ability is not dealing any damage and also does not decrease the amount of your energy bar. Okay, so let's go for the third one, ability High Gear. Instantly channel Neon's high power for increased speed when charged, alt fire to trigger an electric slide. Slide charge resets every 2 kills. So as you can see, this ability is free, and while you are using this ability you are actually running quite faster than normally, and plus as an bonus you can slide it during using of this ability. Also be informed that if you have full energy bar you can use this ability for 15 seconds straight, then you will simply run out of energy. As we already mentioned, during this ability you can slide and you need 2 kills so you could slide again. Also be aware that when you slide, your ability will interrupt. So then after the slide you are not running faster anymore and your energy bar is not consumed as well. So in case you want to again after the slide run faster, you will have to simply click again E or whatever button you have this ability on. Also be aware that you can slide only when holding W, but you can then rotate during the slide, same as you can pull out your weapon during the slide, and thanks this rapidly surprise your opponent. Okay, and last but not least ability of the Neon is Overdrive. Her ultimate. Unleash Neon's full power and speed for a short duration. Fire to channel the power into a deadly lightning beam with high movement accuracy. The duration resets on each kill. Okay, and as you can see, for this ultimate you need to charge 7 ultimate points so actually you can launch it. This ultimate lasts for around 20 seconds and, as it's already mentioned, the duration resets on each kill. Also be informed that damage depends on the distance, but basically if you are aiming to the enemy from a short distance, you can burn him with lightning in a second. Also be aware that this ability is dealing same amount of damage to any part of the body. That means if you are aiming for the head or for the legs, doesn't really matter with this ability. Okay, so I guess that's all for this video. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think about new hero and if you like those abilities. To be honest, I really love them and I can't wait till I will met or play the Neon at the competitive. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. I really hope you found here what you came here for. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the subscribe and click on bell as well to be notified every time new video is online. Or if you want to support this channel and keep it ad-free, you can join Skiller Squad, what will unlock you multiple perks on the channel as special loyalty badges, access to members only community posts, and your name will appear at the end of every new video. Also you can follow me on my socials or follow Skill Up Dimension on socials as well to know everything about new videos, what you need to know, and also you can find their short tutorial posts as well. Okay, but now that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.